The fun they had. Detailed summary. The fun they had is set in the future where schools and books are very different from what we know today. The story starts with Margie, a young girl, writing in her diary about an old book that her friend Tommy found. The book is very old, printed on paper, and Tommy is amazed by it. He says it's a waste because once you are done reading it, you just throw it away. Unlike their television screen, which can hold many books. Margie doesn't like school, especially because her mechanical teacher keeps giving her test after test. She has been doing poorly in geography, and her mother calls a county inspector to fix her teacher. The inspector is a little man who brings a box of tools and fixes the mechanical teacher, making it run more slowly, which makes Margie feel a bit better. But she still wishes they would take the teacher away, just like Tommy's teacher was taken away once when it broke. Tommy then shows Margie a book about an old kind of school that existed hundreds of years ago. Margie is curious but also confused because she has never heard of such a school. In the past, children went to a physical school building where a real human teacher taught them. The teacher gave homework, asked questions, and explained things, unlike Margie's mechanical teacher that shows lessons on a screen. Tommy says that the teacher in the old school was a man, and Margie is surprised. She can't imagine a man being a teacher. As Tommy continues to explain, Margie realizes that in the old school, all the children of the same age learned together and could help each other with their homework. They could play together in the schoolyard and talk about what they learned. In Margie's world, however, she learns alone with her mechanical teacher. At the end of the story, Margie reflects on how much fun the children of the past must have had thinking about the way they learned together in a real school. In summary, the story shows a comparison between the old fashioned way of learning with human teachers and the futuristic way of learning with machines, highlighting the loss of human interaction and fun in the process of learning.